grill.
Malipin.
Paligitin nyo na. Paligitin nyo. Ikas tuyo ko magamit yung biggan.
Sana takot ka. Matunaw.
Ayan. Boil kami lang ng katuday. Ay. Oops. Simple lang. This is it. The grill. Done. Ngayon, nalabasan. No, it's not.
By the way, it's a dish. Everything will be like Ilocano dish only. It's kind of a in Ilocano. This is feast. They used to tell. Now I will explain you one by one what is the food. This is tomato, fresh tomato and fresh onion, and also chili mixed with the bagoong. It's a salty fish sauce, right? Since the dog is still hungry, okay. And this one is barbecue. They did win the. It's not like a barbecue. What I want to tell means the bitter gourd they grill in that one. They put in that one and then they grill. Mostly it is half cooked only, but it is very tasty. No masala anything. And this is katuri. I know everyone know this one. Katuri mixed with bagoong, right? Bagoong. And this one Roshi did. First this is a munamun, and first she did the paksyo, and after that she take it from that one and fry, and then mix with some, what is this sauce?
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Okay, vinegar. I thought it is also like a salty sauce. The color is okay. Now I'll taste it first. Looks very tasty. I don't want to take too much.
Chili is also very fresh.
Let me try first. After that, I will use it. And wait, I will take. I can take it. Bitter gourd. This is the first time I'm eating like this. So first I will try. This one katuri. Little bit enough. Okay. And some. Using hand, it's okay. A little bit, not too much. Let me taste first. I will taste without rice. Yes, after that I will eat. Tatura. The dog is still shouting. It's hungry.
Oh, gutom ka?
It's mixed with the bagoong. That is why I love like salty sauce. But it's a flour, so it is nicely cooked. And this is bitter gourd. Crunchy. Come close. It's a crunchy one, but not overcooked also. It is not like half cooked also. 1/4 only cooked. It's just grill only. And this one I will eat with the rice because this one nice. Fresh tomato and onion. Just it. Mama. Sorry, see the dog. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope everyone like this video, and thanks for watching, and please watch, subscribe, and comment also, and share.
You need to say thank you for the one who subscribes
And person they have subscribed. Thanks for that person. I have not seen the name. So once I check that one, I will let you know. And thank you anyway. God bless everyone. Bye.